Hey everyone, if you find yourself repeating the same steps in Asana over and over, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you how to automate tasks in Asana using built-in rules. Yeah, it's a simple way to save time by letting Asana handle routine actions automatically. So let's get started. First, open Asana in your web browser and sign in to your account if needed. Next, open the project where you want to create an automation. Rules work on a project-by-project basis, so you'll need to set them up inside the correct project. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top right corner and click Customize. A panel will appear with several project settings. From there, find the Rules section. This is where Asana's automation tools are located. Now, click Add Rule. You'll see a list of ready-made templates, or you can choose to create a custom rule. Templates are great for common workflows, while custom rules give you more control over exactly what happens. Next, choose a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts your automation. For example, you can trigger a rule when a task is moved to a certain section, marked as complete, assigned to someone, or given a due date. After choosing the trigger, select what Asana should do automatically. For example, it can assign the task to a teammate, change the due date, move the task to another section, add a comment, update a custom field, or even notify your team. You can combine actions in many workflows depending on your Asana plan. Once everything looks right, click Save Rule, then create or update a sample task that matches your trigger. If everything is configured correctly, Asana will automatically perform the action you selected. It's always a good idea to test your automation before using it in your daily workflow. If your team uses tools like Slack, Gmail, Microsoft Teams, or other supported apps, some Asana plans also let you build automations that connect with those services. This can make your workflow even more efficient by reducing manual work across different platforms. And that's it. You've learned how to automate tasks in Asana using rules. Once your automations are in place, repetitive work becomes much faster and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.